Learn to read fun. Subscribe and like. Hello everyone! I'm so happy to see you today. Are you ready to learn a brand new letter sound? Let's begin. Look what I have here. It's the letter P. Here's the big P. And here's the little p. Can you all trace the big P in the air? Up, around. Now trace the little p. Down and around. Fantastic! Wow! Now, the letter P makes a fun popping sound. Put your lips together and blow a little puff of air. Good job! It's the sound you hear in popcorn. Let's do it again together. Good job! P sound vocabulary practice. Let's find more words that begin with the letter P. Pizza. Pig. Pencil. Pumpkin. Pan. Pot. Panda. Puppy. Can you hear that popping sound? Each word starts with the p sound. Now let's practice blending. Listen and repeat after me. Pan. Pig. Pig. Pot. Pen. Pat. Pup. Pad. Now let's do it a little faster. Ready? Pan. Pig. Pot. Pen. Pet. Pup. Pad. Wow! You're blending like a pro. Now it's time for a fun story about our friend Polly the pig. One sunny morning, Polly the pig was planning a picnic at the park. She packed her favorite snacks: popcorn, pie, and peaches. Polly said, "Perfect! I'm ready for my picnic." Then she saw her friends, Pete the puppy and Penny the parrot. "Would you like to join my picnic?" asked Polly. Pete barked, "Please!" Penny squawked, "Party time!" They played with the pink ball, ate yummy pizza, and drank peach punch. Polly smiled and said, "This is the best picnic ever!" Everyone clapped and said together, "Perfect picnic!" You did an amazing job today learning the letter P sound. We learned the big P and little p, the popping p sound. Practice blending. If you loved learning with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time on Learn to Read Fun.